Hey friends, congratulations! And in this video I'm going to tell you about a very important feeding for your seedlings, which, first of all, will accelerate the growth of the root system, and also this feeding will help stop the stretching of the seedlings. First, let's figure out when we can actually use this fertilizer. This here's my tomato seedlings. They're still mighty small. She has a total of 2 baby leaves and is just beginning to grow her first set of real leaves. At this stage of seedling growth, the root system is very small, and this burning will not have any effect and may even harm it. But when you have 3 or more true leaves on your seedlings and they are already big, as you can see, there are more leaves on my seedlings, then you can use this fertilization and you will get a very fast and significant effect. The seedling will become greener, its stem will become thicker, and it will stop stretching. And I'll be using potassium monophosphate. This fertilizer doesn't contain any nitrogen at all because right now, when we grow it on a shelf or on a windowsill, we don't need nitrogen because it actually promotes vigorous above ground growth and the seedlings will stretch even more. In potassium monophosphate, there is 52% phosphorus, and it specifically promotes growth of the root system. It also contains 34% potassium, which enhances the strength of our seedlings. So, since this is a mineral fertilizer, you need to handle it carefully for seedlings, namely not to exceed the dosage that I will give you now. We'll need 1 liter of water. For seedlings, you gotta use warm water or room temperature, of course. And for 1 liter of water, we add 1 gram of potassium monophosphate. And in order for you to find it easier to determine this dosage, I have already weighed the monophosphate. It's about 1/4 teaspoon. You can have fewer, but not more. We add it to the water and mix it thoroughly. Allow it to sit for 5 minutes and mix once more. As I have already mentioned in the previous videos, prior to providing your preferred nourishment, it is necessary to give your seedlings a small amount of water for a single day. And for those who like to do everything very precisely, we take a 20 milliliters syringe, fill it up completely, and pour it under one plant. This will be sufficient. However, if you do not have the time to measure and water your seedlings in that manner, then we simply follow my approach. I'm just filling up the enema because I use it for watering, it's very convenient, and I fertilize the seedlings with the same amount as with regular watering. The concentration of fertilizers is small, so it will only benefit the seedlings, and that's how you split it very quickly. If the info from this video was helpful, be sure to like, don't forget to share with friends, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new videos. I wish you a successful day and see you in the new videos. See ya!